Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX here and welcome to a brand new video. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a Grammarly extension on your Google Chrome browser. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, you have to search on the search bar Grammarly extension, and then you will see an interface like this. Normally you have to choose this option where you will see chromewebstore.google.com, and then you have to click on this add to Chrome option, add extension, and then the extension is going to be downloaded on your Google Chrome browser. Click on this next button, continue, and so on. Now if you want to pin the extension, normally click on this extension icon and then choose this pin option. That's it. Now if you click on this Grammarly option, you will see all of the settings of Grammarly extension. Thanks for watching. Now you know how to add Grammarly extension on your PC or laptop. Allah Hafiz.